When the user logs in into the system, there is a process called user init, which does a couple of things for the user, and one of them is launching the Logon scripts. And this is exactly one of the functionalities you can use for your persistence. So let me show you how it works. To set this persistence, there's only one thing you have to do, which is to set up one of the values in the registry. So let me start up the registry editor. So if you go to H key, current user, and environment key, there are a couple of things that are set up for the user. And if you add additional value to this key, you will tell the user init process to use that value and start the logon process. The value name is user init mpr logon script. So let me show you how you can set it up from the command line. So running this command, we set up in current user environment key, we set up user init mpr logon script, and the value is set to this path. So in other words, we are telling the user init process to start a logon.bat batch file when the user logs in. Okay, and let's go to our course materials to see what this logon batch contains. And this is really simple, right? It will launch our implant. So let's run it and refresh, and now the value is set. So now if the user logs out and logs in again, hopefully we get our implant running. So Notepad has run. So let's try to investigate what actually happened here. So we have our Notepad here, which was executed by the implant and which was running under CMD. So it's a batch file, and for a fraction of a second you might have noticed that there was a user init.exe process, which was actually the parent process to our CMD. So yep, that's how you can run, how you can set up your persistence with that function. And again, let's clean up the registry before we move on.